Alright, today I'm taking a look at the Bigzzia X20F00D710 electric pressure washer. This is a big boy. So we got a nice foaming nozzle. That's really cool that they included that. A reel for the hose, which is really handy. A bunch of attachments, nozzles. Look at that, little screwdriver. Part of the gun. More part of the gun, and the big guy. So I like the plastic. Looks like it's well made. It feels like sturdy material. Nice long extension cord, which is important, and it looks like GFCI protected. So that's also very important since we're dealing with water. And let's see how this mounts. So it looks like it just slides on. Cool. That's good stuff. I imagine that the screwdriver, yeah, so there's a couple of screw holes here, and the screws are in the bag. Okay, look at that little pin, probably for reset or something like that. So attach the mesh stock and cable stock. So it probably doesn't matter, but it looks like they're putting this on that side, and they're putting this on this side. Okay, so those just slap in. So this looks like a holster. Pretty cool. And I already slid that on, so let's screw it down. So this goes, and the last two screws hold that in place. No more screws, and then this will hold all of our fittings. So red is the highest strength. That's going to be the tightest cone, and then green is the lightest. So this is going to be more for like washing your car, more delicate work, and this is going to be more for like trying to break up material. And then we got the orange and the white in the middle. I believe that the white is a little more gentle, and then the yellow is the less gentle. So left to right, gentle, rough. And then this hose, should I run it through it? I have it on the outside. I think I'm going to run it through it if I can, just for a little bit more protection. And then this this just shoves in here, and then this nut tightens it down. There we go. It's a good good rubber O-ring on that one. It's going to make a nice seal. And then this collar just holds it in place. Good stuff there. Cool. I really like this cord. I mean, this is a nice thick cable, so be able to run this thing without problem, without it heating up. There we go. All right, so they got a zip tie on here. Let's go ahead and cut that off. Now we can undo this this reel. Oh, that's cool. So it's got a little handle that comes out, so you can wind it up and unwind it. That's pretty nice. And the hose attaches. That's a nice thick hose too. I feel it's fairly flexible, but you can also tell that this thing is strong. And with this guy, you just press this button in, and the hose will pop in. Nice. Nice, easy connection. I like nice, easy things. The blast hole. It's the blast hole. Man, now we each got one. It says to make sure that this rubber O-ring is on here. It is. And then I'm just going to shove that guy in, rotate it, and it locks. And then we can put whatever nozzle we want right here on the end. This just pulls in, drop the nozzle in, and you're ready to go. Nice and simple. Everything just kind of plugs together. And then if I wanted to use the foam cannon, I would just take this guy off and drop in the foam cannon. Just like that. I can fill that up with some soap, and you'll make more foam than you know what to do with. So these things are awesome. But for right now, I'm going to be applying pressure to clean off my porch. So the first thing I want to do is flush out this hose, make sure there's nothing in it. This is one of those expandable hoses. Probably not the best idea for this situation because you want to have something that's really wide, but this is what I got, so this is what I'm going to be using for right now. I'm going to attach it to the front of the power washer. Just set it on here and spin this color. Now I'm going to supply power. I'm going to flip on the machine. I've got lock, unlock. So every time I pull the trigger, it's going to pull some of the water out, and then this is going to recompress the water that's inside. So I got this flushed out, and I'm going to attach the tip and the nozzle. And whenever you do this, you want to make sure you don't have your finger in front of it, because this thing can break your skin. Alright. So let's see if I can kind of clean up some of this. Yeah, sure does. So that is with the gentle nozzle. That's with the green one. Here is the white nozzle, so it's less gentle. Here's the yellow. There's red. Yeah, so this guy's got plenty of power. It's definitely able to clean all kinds of nastiness off of this, and look forward to using it in the future.